Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable accessibility requirements on Booking.com account. So first we're going to go to the Booking.com app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then we're going to scroll downwards until we find travel preferences. So we're going to click on it. Then again, we're going to click on accessibility requirements. So there are two options. There's the show all properties as well as only show accessible properties. I personally chose the first one. So this is how you do it. They'll remember this and make a personalized recommendation for you guys. So it's important setting basically. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store, such a helpful booking app. We also have different videos in our How to Tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.